Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Children, cameras on for 5 minutes. Initial 5 minutes. Everybody. Okay. We were on geography chapter.
Ma'am, 3. Water resources.
Yes. Yes. Aditya Sharma we have in the class. Anushka, Karthik Chauhan. These are all in the class. Tanishka Chaudhary, it's beta, cameras on for initial 5 minutes, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Alisba. Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, bache. Cameras on, everyone. Quick attendance. Swaste, Kalishba, Kartike, Faham, Arav, Saksham Patel. Please switch on your cameras.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Saksham Patel,
Yes, ma'am.
is your camera on? Fine. Alindi? Alind, is Alind there in the class? Swaste, Kalishba,
Yes, ma'am.
Arav.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Arav, Aditi,
Yes, ma'am.
Aditi Gupta.
Ma'am, Alind have some problem. His voice is not coming.
Okay. Aditya Kumar Gangwar, Aditya Mishra,
Present, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Agrima Singh. Cameras, keep your cameras on, beta, please. Alishba,
Yes, ma'am.
Angel. Okay, Saksham Patel, I consider that. Angel is present. Angel is not there today. Okay. Do we have Angel Anand? Angel Anand is also not there. Ansh Patel. Ansh Patel. Not there. Anushka Sharma.
Present, ma'am.
Ayush Agarwal. Ayush Agarwal is present. Ayushi Vashisht.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Ayushi Vashisht is not there. Bhavya Tyagi is
Present,
there.
ma'am.
Okay. Karthik Chauhan.
Present, ma'am.
Chaitanya Agarwal.
Present, ma'am.
Karthike.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Khushi Rathod,
Present, ma'am.
Krishna Gupta, not in the class. Lakshanya, Lakshanya, are you there? No. Meghavi,
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, you left my name.
whose name I left?
Ma'am, Lakshya Kumar.
Okay, so sorry. Laksh Kumar is there. Fine. Faham,
Ma'am, I am also there.
tell your name, bacha. If I have missed your name.
Ma'am, Pratyush Singh.
Pratyush Singh is not here right now. I am taking your name. Wait a second. Muskan Chaudhary,
Present, ma'am.
Navya Goyal, okay. Then we have Niruz. Niruz is there in the class. Payal Gangwar,
Present, ma'am.
Anjal Gupta. Do we have Pranjal in the class? No. Pratyush Singh, Priya Gangwar.
And present, ma'am.
Okay. Priya is also present. Ridhima Lamba, Saksham Patel.
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
present.
Saksham Sahu.
Yes,
we have-
ma'am, present.
Both the Sakshams are there in the class. Okay. Swastik Sansaria,
Present, ma'am.
Tanishka Chaudhary, Tarini,
Present, ma'am.
Utkarsh, are you there?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Ved,
Present, ma'am.
fine. Vidushi,
Present, ma'am.
okay. And Yash Raj. I think Yash Raj is not there in the class today. Do we have Yash Raj in the class?
पागलपंतियां मत दिखाना मेरे को बिल्कुल भी
Chaitanya, mute yourself, beta.
मेरा बुक शॉट
Okay, fine. Is the board clear to all of you?
Yes.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
Very clear, no? Not very clear? Okay. Wait a second.
Not very clear.
Let me share the screen with the other. Just a moment. Huh? Is the board clear now to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Fine. That's good. Okay, who will tell me what we did yesterday in the class? Who will tell what we did in the class yesterday?
Ma'am, we read till poor quality of water.
Okay, fine. But today what we are going to do is, I am going to
Ma'am, today may I read? May I read?
reading part, of course, I'll tell you to read. But before that, yesterday we read about the fresh water, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yesterday we read about the fresh water. See, fresh water is unevenly distributed on the surface of earth. Then the main source of the fresh water that we have are the rains, and the rainwater get accumulated as a surface water in the lakes and in the rivers, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ah.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I think fresh water also we had read. Now coming to the scarcity of water. We were doing scarcity of water. Class, we were doing scarcity of water, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to respond so that I know
Yes, ma'am.
and I am audible to you. Can you tell me the page number?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
page
one
number
is
150.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, page
151.
number 150.
Okay, 150. Scarcity of water. See, we all know that due to the growing population, there are several factors which are responsible for the scarcity of water. One of which is the growing population. We all know that with the growing population, the demand for water is also growing. Can you tell how growing population is responsible for scarcity of water?
Ma'am, if there is growing population, ma'am, more usage of water is required.
Yes,
Exactly.
ma'am, because every people require water. And more people, more water will be required.
Exactly. See, if you see the population is growing in the cities, the density of population is so high that people are running short of water. If you come across, there are several cities in our country where water scarcity is there, right? Then now, why growing population affects the water scarcity? Because number of people when they increase, the domestic use of water also increases, and we all know that water is also required for producing food. So both ways the water is utilized more. I hope I am clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming to the factor, commercialization of agriculture. See, we all know more the population will be, more the food will be required. And after the green revolution that happened in the country, after that, the farmers are producing commercial crops, right? I hope you know what are commercial crops.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Anybody who can tell me what are commercial
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, crop used for commercial purposes.
Ma'am, they are also known as cash crops.
Yes, they are also known as cash crops. Now, when the commercial crops are grown, these commercial crops, for growing these commercial crops, high yielding variety of seeds are required, and these high yielding variety seeds of seeds which are there, they require a lot of water. The amount of water that is used by these seeds is more in comparison to the local seeds that are there, right? Right, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So because of this, what irrigation is required for the cultivation of the crops. So the tube wells and the wells which we are having, excess of extraction of water is being done. That is why we are running short of the ground water. The groundwater level that we have, it is depleting, it is becoming low day by day. Reason being, the tube wells that we have, the wells that we have, we are using excess of water for irrigating the fields. I hope this point is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The next point that comes is the variation in annual and seasonal precipitation. Yesterday, when we were doing that, when I showed you that, like somebody asked me about the distribution of the rainfall, no, of the world, that map which you have in your book. That map shows you. That map shows you that how there is a scarcity of how there are differences in the precipitation levels, annual rainfall and the seasonal rainfall. Seasonal rainfall, of course, when the monsoons we have, we consider it as seasonal rainfall.
Ma'am,
And yes, beta, Utkarsh.
I don't understand the scaling of the ma'am. These ma'am like 1,000 to 5,000. I don't understand these scalings.
This scaling is on the basis of the rainfall that is received annually in a year. Annual
No, ma'am,
rainfall, you understand?
ma'am, but how do they come with these numbers like below 250? What does this mean? Below 250?
By there they have, like, you know, you have the scale of over 5,000, means there are many countries where the annual precipitation is more than 5,000 millimeters, right?
Okay.
Okay, and there are many countries where it is less than 252. It is between 250 to 500, or less than that also. Less than that also, right?
Okay, ma'am. Understood.
ठीक है बेटा? Utkarsh,
Okay,
clear
ma'am.
now?
Yes,
हाँ.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So looking at that, we all know that in monsoons, of course, because it is a monsoon time, we receive rainfall. But then the expected rainfall that we have, sometimes it does not match. What is expected is not given, right? What we expect that this much amount of rainfall will be there, but then expected rainfall is not there. So there is always variation in the annual and the seasonal precipitation that we have. I hope this point is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, the main source of water in our country is precipitation, but the arrival and the departure of the monsoon that we have, it is quite uncertain, right? Now, the average precipitation in the country is somewhere around 117 centimeter, but it is less than 20 centimeters in many of the regions of desert area. ठीक है? थार डेजर्ट जो है, जब हम कंपेयर करते हैं, कुछ पार्ट्स में तो 170 सेंटीमीटर से ज्यादा बारिश होती है और कुछ जगहों पे 20 सेंटीमीटर भी नहीं हो पाती है. तो दिस काइंड ऑफ वेरिएशन दैट वी हैव, it is also responsible for the scarcity of water. I hope this point is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then coming to the next point, the industrialization and the urbanization. ये जो industrialization होता है, आपको पता है जितना ज्यादा industries we'll have, the more use of water will be there, right? Right? और जितना ज्यादा,
Yes, ma'am.
you know what is urbanization? Do you understand what is urbanization?
Towns.
Yes, urbanization means formation of the cities, people moving towards, urbanization is basically when more and more facilities are given, provided to the people, right?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
See, we all know that in our country, most of the industrial houses, they are very common units, right? Then talking about the urbanization process has also increased. It has increased since independence, and this urbanization has also aggravated the problem of water scarcity. The more urbanization takes place, modern facilities are available, more usage of water is required, right? More people using them, so scarcity. Yes, Tarini, what are you doing in your phone? Not listening to what I am telling?
I'm listening, ma'am. Actually, Palak Saxena, ma'am, actually wanted to ask something to me.
Okay, we can always do this after the class, no? Do I leave your class in between and answer the queries that are put up by the children? Do I do
No,
that?
ma'am.
You should not do this, no? Okay. Now, because of the urbanization, overpopulation is there, utilization is there. Because of industrialization, what happens? The waste of the industries, they are thrown in the water, pollutes the water. So the availability of the water, of course, it will become scarce, right? Right, class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Fine. This point
Yes,
is clear and
Yes, ma'am.
understood now? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Clear.
coming to the next point. See, another point is overutilization. And misutilization. Now, what is this overutilization? Do you know? See, in this overutilization, as I told you, because of the Green Revolution, several modern methods were introduced for cultivation. So Punjab and Haryana, these are the two states where, modern methods of cultivation are being used, and because of which the chemical usage on the fields has increased. And these chemicals that we are using, the farmers that they are using, it requires lot of water to be used in the fields. So because of this, what is happening? Overutilization of water is taking place. And this overutilization is in return responsible for the scarcity of water. I hope this point is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is misutilization of water resources? This is only the misutilization. See, had they not been using these modern methods, especially the chemical fertilizers which are there. See, we all know that the chemical fertilizers that we have and the pesticides that we are using, they degrade the quality of the land. And because of using these fertilizers and pesticides, the land becomes dry, very dry. So to keep the land wet, it requires lot of water. So this is the misutilization of water that some of these states are doing. I hope this point is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now the last point that we have is the pollution. How the water gets polluted? Can anybody tell? Anushka?
by throwing waste.
Okay, very good. Laksh. Anushka, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
How the water gets polluted? Can you tell?
And the waste of factories released in the water.
Yes, the domestic waste that we have and the factory waste, that the industrial waste that is there, they are thrown directly in the water bodies that are in the nearby areas. It tends to pollute the water. So this pollution of water is also responsible for the scarcity of water. I hope all this is clear and understood to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Now, what can we do to conserve the water? Can we do something for the conservation of water?
Your voice is going very low.
I am asking
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
can we do? What can we do to conserve water?
Ma'am, no wastage of
Ma'am,
water.
Ma'am, we
Okay.
should not waste water. Ma'am, we should use limit. Ma'am, we should not over
We should do
irrigate the
rainwater harvesting.
fields.
Okay.
Ma'am,
What
we
else?
should not. Ma'am, we
And
should
by
not
reusing
over
the
irrigate
water.
the field.
Okay. What else?
Turn off the water while brushing your teeth.
Okay. What else? What else?
Ma'am, do not waste of water in washing of cars.
Very good. Very good. See, what could be done to conserve water? The first thing that we can do is we can start using rainwater harvesting technique. See, rain. See, as I told you, because of the modern methods that we have adopted, that the farmers have adopted, it has, you know, it has degraded, it has overutilized the water. So what we can do is we can adopt the technique of rainwater harvesting. We can collect the rainwater and then we can use that rainwater for cultivating, right? For irrigating the fields. Is this point clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You know what are check dams?
No, ma'am.
See, you must have seen,
Now
you know,
what?
check dams. Check dams. Can you see the screen? Check dams. Anybody who can tell me what are check dams?
Dams which are used to check the water flow.
What kind of structure is made for these check dams? Okay, I'll show you. See, these check dams that we have, any water body that we have. Now we all know that the river water that we have, the speed of the water is very high, flowing water, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Especially,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
especially in the areas where the where we have slopes. So what we can do is the places where we have slopy areas and the speed of the water is high, then we can put some barricading of the rocks. Right now, these rocks that we have, they stop the flow of the water. They put us full stop or they slow down the pace of the water that is moving. So in such case, this way also, what we can do, we can check the flow of the water and we can reduce the wastage of water that takes place, or the water that is flowing in a high speed, because of which the erosion takes place, that can also be slowed down, and the nutrients and the the minerals that the river water has, we can use them. The sediments that are brought by the river, we can use those sediments for cultivating the fields. So this is how the check dams are made. I hope this is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Put so that, see, from the passages that is the passage that is available between the rocks, the water flows and it slows down the speed of the water that is flowing. I hope it is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Fine. What is another way of conserving water? Can you tell? Anybody?
Ma'am, drip irrigation or sprinklers irrigation?
Very good. Very good. Sprinklers. Or the drip irrigation. See,
Some afforestation.
Taking taking water.
what, beta? What?
These two techniques helps in saving water.
Yes, very good. See, you know what? You know what happens? Sprinklers, when you use sprinklers, it will allow more of water spreading in the large areas, right? When we water the fields through the tube wells, what happens? Water gets, a good flow of water is there, and when maximum of the water gets wasted also. So to avoid the wastage of water in the the irrigation of the fields, what we can do, we can use these sprinklers. You must have observed, a straight structure where this kind of spinning wheel, spinning this thing wheel is put, and through the pores that it has, it allows to spread water to the larger areas, right? So sprinklers can also be used for irrigating fields. I hope this is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then drip irrigation. What is this drip irrigation? In those areas where the evaporation process is very high, especially the dry areas that we have in the country, in these dry regions, drip irrigation is used so that the drops that are, coming down, like, pipes are, pipeline is put, and in those pipelines, pores are made. So through these pores, the water drips down in the land. And because of the dripping of the water, the evaporation process slows down, and it allows this drip irrigation allows the water to go deep inside the roots of the water of the plant. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other point? For
Ma'am,
conservation?
afforestation.
Afforestation, yes, of course, afforestation. We can go for afforestation because we all know that the leaves, the trees that we have, they are also helpful in the precipitation because of the transpiration that takes place through the leaves, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So this was all about the conservation of water. Fine. Let us have a quick reading now. Chaliye. Can we have Anushka doing the reading?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, do check dams also prevent the gully erosion?
Yes, of course, of course. They do prevent it.
Okay, ma'am.
Chaliye. Anushka, read beta. Anushka, can you hear me? Anushka? Okay. Utkarsh, will you read?
Yes.
Read. Beta, padho Utkarsh bache. Why are you taking so much of time? Okay, let us have Tarani reading. Tarani?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, from multi-purpose projects.
No, no, this I have not explained. You don't read this. You read from the conservation of water. This multi-purpose project we will do in the next class, okay? Chalo, start reading.
Okay, ma'am. Conservation of water. Water as a natural resource is of prime importance to us. Rapid population growth has fast depleted the reservoirs of fresh water. Deforestation, construction of houses, roads, and industries has also depleted the underground water reserves. One of the major challenges of the 21st century is access to an adequate supply of clean water. Thus, it is imperative that we manage our water resources carefully and conserve it for future use. The important methods of conserving are as follows.
Okay,
Afforestation.
wait, Tarini. Let Ridhima read. Ridhima, read, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Deforestation, that is planting of trees and other plants, can slow down the surface runoff and improve seepage of water in the soil. In this way, underground water reservoirs can be replenished. The most important use of fresh water is irrigation. Efficient irrigation methods must be used so that there is no wastage of water. Over irrigation is neither good for the crops nor for the soil. Canals and dams must be repaired to avoid wastage of water. Sprinklers are very effective method of irrigation. They can irrigate even
Undulating land. Undulating land का मतलब क्या होता है? Uneven lands, right? Right?
Okay, ma'am. Water loss through seepage can also be checked. In dry regions where evaporation rate is high, trickle or drip irrigation is useful. Underground pipes supply water to the roots of plants. Industrial water may be recycled and used for cleaning and cooling the machines. In domestic use, wastage of water should be avoided. Taps should not be unnecessarily kept open and the faulty ones should be repaired. Wastewater from kitchens may be used to fill up air coolers or for gardening. Rainwater harvesting is an important method of conserving water. Rainwater can be collected in storage tanks and later be used to fill up wells and tube wells.
Okay, I hope whatever you have read till now is clear and understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything up till here not clear or not understood?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Fine. I think in the previous class, like last Saturday when we had the class, I told you that you have to do two maps. One map which is given in the book and the other map that you have on page 151, multi-purpose projects in India. Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you all have done this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today you will be sending your geography chapter 2 work on the class groups, right? After 5 in the evening. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Between 5 to 6, you all are going to give your written work, but it has to be in PDF. Nobody will share the images. Make sure that you are sharing it in the PDF form. Am I clear?
Excuse me.
Yes,
Okay,
Utkarsh?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Utkarsh?
Ma'am, I'm somewhere out, so I don't have my copy with me right now.
Where are you?
Ma'am, I am in my mama's house.
Okay, so by evening you won't be going back? Utkarsh?
Yes, ma'am. I am saying I am in my mama's house, so ma'am.
Okay. So you need to write this in the class group. Fine. So that I know that this is the reason why you have not shared your PDF, right? I hope I am clear to all of you.
Yes,
Ma'am, I can
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Because I will return tomorrow.
And do read the chapter again and let me know what you have not understood. Multi-purpose projects in the next class I will discuss because it requires little detailing. That is why I did not rush up with it in this class, right? Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Fine, class. Payal,
Yes, ma'am.
can you share chapter 1 also with me in the form of PDF on my personal number, right?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Right.
Ma'am, we have to send work of only chapter 2.
No, 1 and 2 both you have to send. I forgot about 1. Both 1 and 2 you have to share in the PDF form.